Real estate is more than just bricks and mortar. It's about dreams, investments, and building a future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, understanding the basics is key. Let's dive into the exciting world of real estate together. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the different types of properties, the various forms of ownership, and some key historical moments that have shaped the industry. We'll also delve into some interesting data points that illustrate the dynamics of the real estate market. Get ready to become a real estate whiz. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid understanding of this fascinating field. So, buckle up and let's get started. Residential real estate is all about where people live. This category includes single-family homes, townhouses, condominiums, and apartments. These properties offer a place to call home and are often the first step for many on their real estate journey. Single-family homes stand alone on their own lots, offering privacy and space. Townhouses share walls with neighboring units, providing a balance between space and affordability. Condominiums or condos are individually owned units within a larger building or complex, often with shared amenities like pools and gyms. Apartments are rental units within a larger building, offering flexibility and convenience. Each type of residential property caters to different needs and lifestyles. Families may prefer the space of a single-family home, while young professionals might opt for the convenience of a condo or apartment. Commercial real estate encompasses properties used for business purposes. This category is diverse, including office buildings, retail spaces, hotels, and restaurants. These properties are the engines of our economy, providing spaces for businesses to thrive and serve customers. Office buildings house businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. Retail spaces, like shopping malls and individual storefronts, offer goods and services to consumers. Hotels provide accommodations for travelers, while restaurants offer dining experiences. Investing in commercial real estate can be lucrative, as businesses generate income and drive economic growth. However, it's important to carefully consider factors like location, market, demand, and tenant occupancy when venturing into this sector. Industrial real estate focuses on properties used for manufacturing, production, storage, and distribution. This category includes warehouses, factories, and distribution centers. These properties are essential for the smooth functioning of supply chains and the delivery of goods to consumers. Warehouses provide storage space for raw materials, finished goods, and everything in between. Factories house production lines where goods are manufactured and assembled. Distribution centers serve as hubs for receiving, sorting, and shipping products to their final destinations. The demand for industrial real estate is often linked to economic growth and consumer spending, as businesses expand and e-commerce continues to rise. The need for industrial spaces to support these operations grows as well. Section 5. Land. The foundation of it all. Land is the basis of all real estate. It encompasses vacant land, undeveloped parcels, and agricultural land. Investing in land can be a long-term strategy, as its value tends to appreciate over time. Vacant land offers the potential for future development, whether it's for residential, commercial, or industrial purposes. undeveloped parcels may require infrastructure improvements before construction can begin. Agricultural land is used for farming and ranching, providing food and other resources. Land ownership comes with responsibilities, including property taxes and adherence to zoning regulations. However, it also offers the potential for significant returns, especially in areas experiencing population growth and development. Section 6. Forms of ownership. Who owns what? Understanding the different forms of real estate ownership is crucial. The most common types include sole ownership, joint tenancy, tenancy in common, and limited liability companies or LLCs. Each form has its own implications for ownership rights, responsibilities, and tax liabilities. Sole ownership, as the name suggests, means one person holds all ownership rights to the property. Joint tenancy involves two or more individuals owning the property equally with rights of survivorship. Tenancy in common allows for unequal ownership shares and doesn't automatically transfer ownership to surviving owners. LLCs offer a flexible structure that combines the benefits of partnerships and corporations, providing liability protection for the owners. Choosing the right form of ownership depends on individual circumstances, investment goals, and risk tolerance. Consulting with a real estate attorney or tax advisor is recommended to determine the most advantageous option. Section 7. Key data points. Understanding the market. Real estate is a data-driven industry. Key indicators like interest rates, housing inventory, and median home prices provide valuable insights into market trends and potential investment opportunities. Staying informed about these data points helps buyers, sellers, and investors make informed decisions. Interest rates play a significant role in real estate affordability. Lower interest rates make mortgages more affordable, stimulating demand and potentially driving up prices. Housing inventory refers to the number of homes available for sale. A low inventory often indicates a seller's market, while a high inventory suggests a buyer's market. Median home prices provide a snapshot of the average home value in a particular area, helping to gauge market trends and affordability. By tracking these data points and consulting with real estate professionals, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and make well-informed decisions. Section 8. Historical moments shaping the industry. The real estate industry has been shaped by numerous historical moments and events, from the Great Depression to the housing bubble of the mid-2000s. These events have taught valuable lessons about market cycles, risk management, and the importance of regulation. The Great Depression led to widespread foreclosures and a collapse in property values, highlighting the importance of economic stability and responsible lending practices. The creation of the Federal Housing Administration in 1934 aimed to make home ownership more accessible through government-backed mortgages. The housing bubble of the mid-2000s, fueled by subprime lending and speculation, resulted in a severe market crash and recession, emphasizing the need for responsible lending practices and regulatory oversight. By studying historical trends and learning from past mistakes, we can navigate the complexities of the real estate market with greater awareness and preparedness. Section 9. Conclusion. Your real estate journey. The world of real estate is vast and dynamic, offering opportunities for home ownership, investment, and wealth creation. Whether you're buying your first home, expanding your investment portfolio, or simply seeking to deepen your knowledge. Understanding the basics is essential. Remember to carefully consider your goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions before making any real estate decisions. Seek guidance from experienced professionals. Stay informed about market trends and never stop learning. Now that you've gained a solid foundation in real estate basics, it's time to explore further. What other real estate topics would you like to learn about? Share your suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.